The IICS team of Technology Education and Mentoring Center has prepared another lecture to guide students and young early and mid-career professionals to absorb more out of reading material. This trait is essentially required if one aims at reaching the top of professional career ladder. This is an introductory guide to help reading enthusiasts to become better readers. This will also facilitate researchers in scanning and understanding literature for write-ups of reports and thesis. You may think it is not necessary to improve reading skill in the immediate future, as you appear to be doing well. However, easy-to-adopt reading skills described in this video will allow you to become a better reader in due course of time. Try not to read back, as it slows you down. Continue reading keeping the title of passage in mind. Some paragraphs in a document are continuation of the same idea. Still always stop for a few seconds and reflect back on what you have understood from each paragraph. If title does not explicitly describe theme of article, try predicting yourself. Signposts hint to the fact that approaching text contains important information. Important words are usually typed in bold, italics, underlined or larger font size. While looking for specific information, irrelevant portions may be ignored. In an article, make use of headings and subheadings to help yourself locate the wanted information. Set a time limit. If nothing important is found during that period, the text probably does not provide what you want. Critical reading is mostly required for understanding articles related to history and current affairs. Remember, no two persons think alike, so they share different opinions. Facts are based on evidence, whereas opinions are not. You may use diagrams, flowcharts, etc. to reach decision on critical points. This is a proven way of going through books and scientific publications in short time. By using this techniques, a sizable number of publications and books can be comprehended in 1 month. Anyone trying out the tips described in this lecture will see a marked improvement in his capability to become a better reader with purpose. Stay tuned for more discussions on similar subjects from our team working in Interpersonal Skills Development Department of TE&MC. We invite you to encourage us in following the cause of imparting knowledge through this nonprofit endeavor.